All right, guys, so we went shopping. As you can see, we are done with that. And right now, I'm going to be learning how to cook with the pro, my friend. And I'm going to show you guys with us. So get ready. Let's go. I want us to eat. It's going to be for all of us. So what do you think we should cook?
You're gonna eat meat, right?
Yeah.
Let me make it from a little from everything. Let me make it ready, and then I'll call you about that.
Okay, and then we'll just
Yeah,
film it.
Okay. So this is actually when you make kitfo, and when we're making about kitfo and the dry tips, fresh cut from top round. So we ground it to make it like a little bit kitfo.
Okay.
But since you're not gonna eat it raw, so we're gonna cook it raw.
But okay. Yeah. Did you hear that? So some people correction, stop. So some people can eat raw meat. It's part of the tradition.
No,
right?
I mean like most people.
Most people?
Yes.
Most people?
Yeah.
I'm just late.
Yes.
So, okay, most people eat raw food, right? Raw meat.
Yes.
The reason is why?
Because that's how we grow up. That's how we eat. I mean, like, of course, some people they don't eat meat at all. Okay. But this is like you're supposed to eat it medium rare cooked.
Okay. Make sure it's well done for me.
But for you, of course, we're gonna cook it.
Great, wonderful.
So we're gonna make you directives. I'm gonna make you a little bit kitfo and then a little bit shiro. So.
I can't wait.
I'll see you in a minute.
I can't wait.
Yeah.
I'm excited. Okay.
Usually, so this is Ethiopian kebab, which is nitter kebab.
Okay.
It's clarified butter. Yeah. There is like 5-6 spices in this butter.
In the butter,
When you clarified it, yes.
Okay.
Of course, we have the berbere that I show you.
Yeah.
The mita.
Yeah.
We have the cardamom, ground them up to make the kitfo.
Okay.
This is my season. This is my secret season.
It's yellow. Oh, yeah. You can't tell me.
Yes,
I'm not. Kill you to find out.
Yes.
Okay, that's why it's so good, right? You have your secret. Got it.
Yeah. So I mean, like I have.
Chefs have their own secret season.
Yes.
You should.
So this is the one we're gonna cook now. I'm gonna make you cook. I'm gonna make you the dry tips.
Okay. Oh my God, this is so exciting.
I'm gonna make you awash tips with this.
Okay.
And then of course I'm gonna make you kitfo. It have to be this.
So dry. Holy cow! See that?
So we need those.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Make her shiro, which is I use this. That's how I like my shiro.
Look how fast he's gonna cook it. Like it would take me 10 hours to do this. This is skill for sure. All right, guys, so guess who I ran into? Ta-da! My old barber, Yoni, which he is still a barber in San Diego. And I'm excited to see him again. We used to work together. As you guys know, I'm a ex-hairstylist. I don't do hair anymore, but it's always part of my life. Anyway, so he's eating lunch. Our old shop, we used to do this all the time, order a meal next door to us, and that was the fun part, right? It's so nice to see you. You look great. And we're gonna come back and visit you. And so, of course, in our culture, as we talk, people give you a food while they're eating. I'm gonna get one from Yoni. It's just a way of
love.
Yes.
Family.
Uncle.
You want
That's
some?
good.
Jelly,
you want injera? This is like, I haven't. Do you want yeah? She's like,
You want some?
She's like, that milk is so.
I'm busy with this bottle.
I know. Enjoy, thank you, Yoni.
I'm making the awash tips. I'll make you shiro tagamino.
Oh my gosh.
I'll make you the dry tips, which is one of my favorite tips.
I love it. I haven't had Habesha food in like, I don't know, maybe my wedding day, if I'm not lying. It's like, this is so exciting
Yeah,
to
put
get up
this.
close. Yeah. That's so amazing.
ማዘር አንዴ
So
ልጨርስልሽ እኔ አትግቢበት።
Do you see like how he's like,
So this is for you. So this is a mix of spices and the clear fried butter I'll show you.
okay,
So I'm making you kitfo.
thank
So
you.
which is
That's so special. I love it. When I had my
Make
shop,
sure.
I used to call them. I'm like, Demile, or I would call him. I'm like, I need food, or I want tea, you know. So I had so much memory of being around them, you know. So this is like home to me.
so we're gonna cook it.
Don't burn your hand. And you think I should learn how to do this? I need to go to school.
You are in the school now.
This is, yes. It's gonna take a while. So do you think it takes, do you time yourself or you just know how long it takes?
I know how long it takes.
So
During the
So for
experience.
me, like for a person who doesn't know how to cook or learning how to cook, how do you know it's ready? Like, do you go by look? Do you go
I mean,
by...
the shiro need to be like this.
Okay.
When you see the oil come up, that means
that's
that's
ready.
really cooked. When you see this, the oil is coming up, that's it's cooked. So
Okay.
this one, the dry tips, they have to be like this.
If it is burned,
But
right?
my favorite is the grilled onion with the meat sauce because there's no oil.
Yeah.
When I cook dry tips, I don't put no oil.
Okay.
I use their own fat.
The fat.
The fat by itself, I cooked it. So
That's
which is
how you got all the oil.
Yeah, so you have that crispy and soft when you chew it. And then the flavor, the meat flavor is still there.
I love it.
So that's what makes a difference.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So don't put oil. Oh my God, it looks so good. Okay, explain to us what it is again.
So I'll make you the dry tips. That was the tips. I got you the yellow split piece for the little girl right here, so she can have not spicy.
For the baby.
So I'll make you your shiro. And then I got you the spicy paste.
This
and
is really spicy, right?
Yes, it is.
Spicy or that?
The
No,
sauce.
this one, right? The sauce
Okay.
is spicy. You can do.
That
That's awaze.
It's similar?
How was it?
Similar, but it's a paste and then it fermented.
Okay.
And then that's the meat that I told you. You can't cook with it.
Yes.
So very spicy. Be careful.
So if you
Did
don't
not
want...
inhale it. So, so we got the injera right here.
Okay.
So this is 100% from teff.
F.
That's why you see the brownish.
Do you see that?
Brown tip.
Yes.
I can't wait to eat. Thank
Yep.
you so much.
No problem.
So excited.
See how the injera is the plate?
This, yeah.
Yes.
And
let's
now
do
I'm
this.
gonna pour that in there.
Let's do this.
Yes.
And then we're gonna eat as a family style.
There you go.
All right?
Thank you.
You guys enjoy it? No
You're
problem.
awesome.
Anytime.
This is great.
Yep.
And then I'm a ganalo.
I'm a saganalo.
Yes,
Yeah.
and I'm a Harik.
What is it?
I'm a ganalo. Allo, right?
I'm a saganalo. Yes.
Yeah.
I'm a say ganal.
Yes.
የተባረከ ይሁንላችሁ.
Thank you so much,
Okay.
sweetheart. Okay.
Injera.
Which one are you gonna start?
I want to start with this one. Or no, I start with these, right?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
That's shiro,
Shiro.
which is my favorite meal.
Okay.
Okay.
And I got a jalapeno. Mmm.
Is it good?
Divine. It's rich.
Aw.
The little spice with the jalapeno.
Is it?
Got a
Okay, I'm
little
gonna
kick.
try it. Sorry, I have. Oh my god. Like, seriously, like,
Is it your favorite?
shiro is my favorite. This is incredible. It tastes so good. It's so thick. It's so rich in flavor. I don't know if I can make this at home.
We're gonna try.
This is so good.
What's this one called?
That's lentil, I think.
Lentil?
Just like white lentil without spice.
All right, shiro since it's your favorite.
Yes.
It's good. That's love right there.
Thank you. It's truly love. It's so good. I love Habesha food. Stuffed
Get a
meat.
good big piece of meat for me.
Okay. Okay, now you're gonna make me use like all 4 fingers.
Uh-huh. No, make sure you feed me like a lady.
Good?
I'm gonna taste the onion and all the spices.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoy this segment coming with us. We had so much fun. We're so full. We gotta get home and take a nap, right?
It's nap time. This is so good. If you live anywhere near San Diego,
Please stop by.
come to Awash.
Come to Awash in San Diego and get your favorite meal, and you will enjoy it. Bye, guys. Thank you.
Bye.
See you next time.
Ciao.